Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable TPM 2.0 so you can install Windows 11 without running into errors. To enable TPM 2.0, you need to access the BIOS. The BIOS is a program on your motherboard, and it runs before your operating system starts. To get into the BIOS, first restart your computer. While the BIOS is booting, press one of these keys: Delete, F2, or Escape, depending on your system. You'll usually see the instructions on screen. Once you're in the BIOS, if you're in easy mode, switch over to advanced mode. Next, go to the Settings tab. Select the option called Miscellaneous. Here you'll find an option named Intel Platform Trust Technology, also known as PTT. If it's set to disabled, double-click it and switch it to enabled. Now move over to the Save and Exit tab, then choose Save and Exit Setup to save the changes. Your computer will restart, and TPM will be activated. If your motherboard is from a different brand, the BIOS interface may look different. Just look for similar settings like the ones I'm showing on screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.